Hi everyone, in front of me I've got an INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so all we have to do is to enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner. Now let's localize the timer option, and in this device we've got 4 options to choose from: off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let's simply tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is immediately notified right here. We can go back to the camera, and all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button right now, and as you can see, your device will count down from 10, 3 or 5, of course, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Unfortunately, we do not have any kind of sign or icon that will show us that we've got the timer set, so we have to always check it in the settings. Of course, you can also remove the camera timer, turn it off. So enter the settings again, tap on the timer and tap on off. And right now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.